Ratnamala, daughter of Mr. P.V. Ramdas, Senior Advocate, Orissa High Court, Cuttack. He is no more with us. He breathed his last on the 19th of February 2009. Yes, I'm supposed to introduce myself as daughter of late Mr. P.V. Ramdas. Since I feel he is always living, he is there with us, hence that introduction of without late. My father is fifth in the generation of lawyers. He had a lot of trials, tribulations, lots of challenges, but he walked upright, trampling across the battlefields of life. Wanted to know more about it and who could be the best person to give me those inputs other than his very close cousin, that is Mr. G.V. Ramdas.
Nizam came in power with Orissa state from Gajpati, and he has sent many Telugu people to Berhampur, Orissa, to collect the kits from the rights and the things. So on that is many some characters, what they call నియోగులు పంపించాడు. గోల్కొండ నుంచి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ వ్యాపారంలో చేస్తున్నారని గోల్కొండ వ్యాపారులని పేరు ఇచ్చారు. ఈ వాజ్ డూయింగ్ ప్లేయర్షిప్ ఎట్ Berhampur. Later, 1936, when Orissa state formed, there were no lawyers, advocates in Orissa, in Cuttack. So, there was Bengal from Calcutta, they used to come and do it. But they are not well versed with the local Andhra, this thing. So, I used to go to Cuttack every time to present the cases there. So, every time going to Cuttack means it is a big task. So, he has shifted to Cuttack. He left Berhampur and started his leadership in Cuttack. And there he started his first High Court. Then, at that time, High Court was used to be there at Patna and Cuttack. A new constitution has come in 1950. And there is Article 221. In Utkal University, those people they have detained, 21 medical students they detained unnecessarily. Then they came, my father took up the case and filed a case against the Utkal University. Judgment has come in favor not to debug them, admit this thing. It has become a very sensation case. At that time, your father became very prominent. Then all the writ cases, that means 200, used to come to father.
Playing games.
In Stuart School, Banfield was there, one Banfield. And he was a big sportsman in England and everything. And he used to encourage the sportsmen in the school. English, he has a good command on English.
Your father, I used to like him very much. So once he sent me by a parcel all the dry snacks from Cuttack. That I can never forget. He had sent me to the school. I was in the hostel. He was a very good singer. I used to hear him singing songs. And he was, of course, he was very smart looking. I ate the fawn made by my grandfather for himself.
When he got me a khaki dress stitched and I wore it, I still remember it said, never, 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 never give up. So those were the words which made me come through all the challenges of life, and I never give up in any practical, any situation.
Oh, they were my friend, philosophers and guide in the true spirit. Anything in academics and all, it was Kakka used to always help me. Where his catchphrases were 10 times reading is equal to 1 time writing.
He is the son of a retired High Court judge of Cuttack, Mr. Balkrishna Rao. Recollections about Ramdas, and as he was as an advocate, he appeared in some very famous cases in Cuttack, and though he was offered fabulous amounts from other side, he refused and stood by it. That is Ramdas. With a few friends he used to mix, and one amongst them was myself. Illustrious friend Ramdas. Photo, right in 1957, he gave me a photo, and his daughter used to write some funny letters. Your mother comes from Berhampur, and she used to speak better Telugu than Ramdas.
My grandfather was the first Chief Justice of the Orissa High Court, who became a judge in the year 1948 as the first Chief Justice of the Orissa High Court. My father was elevated as a judge of the High Court, and he also retired as the Chief Justice of the Orissa High Court. My father said, "The only person I can find who can be patient with you is Mr. P.V. Ramdas, and I think you must go and visit him." When I went and met Mr. P.V. Ramdas, who opened the door for me, and he always told me, "You must have the Constitution on your fingertips, on your lips. Maxwell, you should roll Maxwell on your tongue." There's another very senior whom I can would be worth mentioning is Mr. M.M. Das, Madhavananda Das, and Mr. P.V. Ramdas would smilingly say, "He is my best friend." Whenever I have a problem, he used to always say, "Take your books as your senior, burn some midnight oil, and you'll get the answer." Till date, I do the same thing, and I remember him with joy and happiness. He is a friend, a philosopher, and a guide for me.
He is Stuart School product and comes of a very, very respectable family. P.V. Ramdas, who we used to fondly call Ramdu, was just the opposite. He was meek and mild, always having a smiling face. I have never heard him speaking anything ill about anybody. In courts also, he was very submissive, very polite, and always to the point. In the last 64 years of my practice as a lawyer, if I have to pick up anybody, I would say that P.V. Ramdas was an embodiment of what an ideal lawyer should be. He was an embodiment of that. When one can say that, look at Ramdas.
PV was my classmate in the 11th shop, and he was very quiet, but he was a reasonably good student. He used to play cricket and spend a lot of time on cricket also. When he joined the bar, he joined 1 year after he was specialized in banking laws.
I have seen P.V. Ramdas, one of the most senior lawyer then, because by age and by practice he was much more senior than me. Mr. P.V. Ramdas, we had seen him, observed him very closely. People usually takes lawyers as a very complicated person, as a very complicated man, but I found that P.V. Ramdas is a nice and perfect gentleman. He speaks very less. I have seen both in and outside court. Inside court, I found that his submissions, while making submissions to the court, honorable court, to the honorable judges, he always sticks to the point. He never speaks more than what is required to speak in that case. He had a little sense of humor also. The most interesting, most important thing about P.V. Ramdas is that he usually never loses temper inside court or outside court. While arguing the matter, he tries to convince the matter to the honorable judges to the best of his ability, but with the same spirit, with the same coolness, with the same calmness, and he never loses the temper. That is very cordial to the junior lawyers. He is very friendly to his associates and his batchmates. During my lifetime, I have never seen such a cool, calm, and sweet-spoken gentleman. And as a lawyer, I must say, both as a lawyer and as a gentleman par excellence, I have never found such a nice gentleman in the bar till date, and that I must admit.
Sir, बहुत थंडा मिजाज लोक,
ସାର୍ଙ୍କର ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ସମସ୍ତ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଭଲ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଅଛି। ସାର୍ ଜଜ୍ଠୁ ନେଇକି ଷ୍ଟାଫ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରନ୍ତି।
ଯେଉଁ ଦିନ ତାରିଖ ତାଙ୍କ ଥାଏ କେସ୍ ସେମାନେ ସେଦିନ ରାତି 12ଟା ସେମାନେ ପଢ଼ନ୍ତି, ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇକି ପୁରା ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଫଜମେଣ୍ଟ ନେଇକି ସଜେସନ୍ ଦେଇକି ଜଜ୍ଙ୍କୁ କନଭିନ୍ସ କରିକି ଅର୍ଡ଼ର ଭଲ କରନ୍ତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଫେଭରରେ।
ସାର୍ ଜଣେ ସୁନାମ ଧନ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଥିଲେ। ବାହାର ସହିତ ଏତେ ତାଙ୍କର ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଥିଲା, ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବାହାର ଆସୋସିଏସନ୍ ଛାଡ଼ିକିରି ଉପରକୁ ଚାଲିଗଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ଝୁରିଛନ୍ତି। ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ ବାହାର ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ସିନିୟର ମାନଙ୍କର ବହୁତ ମାନେ ମହାନ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କୁ ବାହାର ଆସୋସିଏସନ୍ ହରେଇକି ବଡ଼ ଦୁଃଖର ବିଷୟ ଯେ ହରେଇକିରି ଆମର ଜଣେ ସିନିୟର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ସେ ଗହଣରେ ନାହିଁ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଦୁଃଖିତ। ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରିଆନ୍ ଥିଲି। ସାର୍ ପ୍ରତି ଘଣ୍ଟା ଭିତରେ ଆସି ଏତେ ବହି ପଢ଼ନ୍ତି ଯାହାଫଳରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଡିସିସନ୍ ବାହାର କରିକିରି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜେ ଘରେ ନେଇକି ଦେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତି। ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଗରିବଙ୍କର ସାହା ଥିଲେ। ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ କତିକି ଯାଇ ପହଞ୍ଚୁ, ସାର୍ ଆମର ଏଭଳିଆ ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ଅଛି, ଏଭଳିଆ ଦୁଃଖ ଅଛି, ସାର୍ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସ୍ୱଇଚ୍ଛା ମନରେ ଆମକୁ ଅନୁକମ୍ପା ଦାନ କରନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଜି ହରେଇ ଆମେ ବଡ଼ ଦୁଃଖିତ। ସିଏ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଜେଜେବାପା ଭଳିଆ ଗୋଟେ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ତ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କହିବୁ, ଆମେ ତ ଛୋଟ ପିଲା। ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କମାନଙ୍କୁ ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଗବାନ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେମାନେ ଭଲରେ ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ, ତାଙ୍କ ପରିବାରମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲରେ ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ।
PV ରାମ ଦାସ ଜଣେ ଏ ପ୍ରକାର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିତ୍ୱ ଯାହାଙ୍କ କଥା ମୋର ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଦିନ ମନେ ପଡ଼େ। କାରଣ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଥମ ଦେଖା ମୋର ହୋଇଥିଲା ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟିଭ ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁନାଲ କଟକ ବେଞ୍ଚ ଦୋଳମୁଣ୍ଡେଇ ପାଖରେ। ମୋତେ ପ୍ରଥମରୁ ସେ ପଚାରିଥିଲେ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସ ୟୋର ନେମ୍ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍। ଆଇ ସେଟ୍ BS ତ୍ରିପାଠୀ। ନା କାହା ଚାମ୍ବରରେ ଆପଣ ଜଏନ୍ କଲେ? ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଦୀପକ ମିଶ୍ରଙ୍କ ଚାମ୍ବରରେ ଜଏନ୍ କଲି। ନା ୟେସ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଗୁଡ୍ ଅଫିସ୍। ମୋର କାଲିପରି ମନେ ଅଛି ସେଇ ଦିନଠୁ କାହିଁକି ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଦୁର୍ବଳତା ରହିଲା PV ରାମ ଦାସଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି, ଏବଂ ସାର୍ଙ୍କର ମୋର ମୋ ପ୍ରତି ସେତିକି ସ୍ନେହ ରହିଲା। ଯେତେବେଳେ ବାଟରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତି ବୀରେନ ଭଲ ଅଛ, ଦୈବାତ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଦୟାରୁ PV ରାମ ଦାସ ଯେଉଁଠି ରହୁଥିଲେ ମୋ ଘରଠୁ ମାତ୍ର 200 ମିଟର ଦୂରତା। ତେଣୁ ସବୁ ସମୟରେ ଖାଲି କୋର୍ଟ ସମୟ ନୁହଁ, ଇଭିନ୍ ବହୁତ ବାହାରେ ପରିବା କିଣିବାକୁ ଗଲାବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଦେଖା ହୁଏ, କ୍ଷୀର ଆଣିବାକୁ ଗଲାବେଳେ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଦେଖା ହୁଏ। ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପରିବାର ସହିତ ମୋର ବି ବହୁତ ଆଟାଚମେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା। ସାର୍ ମୋତେ ଅନେକ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ବେଳେ କେସ୍ରେ ମୁଁ ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ସମ୍ମୁଖୀନ ହୁଏ, ସାର୍ ମୋତେ ସେତେବେଳେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରନ୍ତି। ବୀରେନ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଲ, ୟୁ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ଇଟ୍, ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଫିୟର। ନୂଆ ନୂଆ ଜୀବନରେ ବହୁତ ଘାତ ପ୍ରତିଘାତ ଆସିବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତୁମେ ତାକୁ ସବୁ ଫେସ୍ କର। ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା କି ବହୁତ ଯେତେବେଳେ କିଛି ଜଟିଳ କେସ୍ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆସେ, ମୁଁ କାହା ପାଖକୁ ନ ଯାଇ ପ୍ରଥମରେ ମୋର ମନେ ପଡ଼େ ସ୍ୱର୍ଗତ PV ରାମ ଦାସଙ୍କ କଥା। କାରଣ ତାଙ୍କର ସ୍ନେହବଳା କଥା ଗଲା ମାତ୍ରେ ଇମିଡ଼ିଏଟ୍ ଯେତେ କାମ ଥାଉ ନା କାହିଁକି, ଆଗ ବୀରେନ ଆସିଛି, ଚା କପ୍ଟେ ବୀରେନ ପିଅ, ଜଳଖିଆ ଖାଅ, ତାପରେ କେସ୍ ବିଷୟରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେବା। ଇଭିନ୍ ତାଙ୍କ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମେମ୍ବର ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ମ୍ ବି ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ। ଆସିଲା ମାତ୍ରେ ଆଗ ଦେଖିକିରି ସେ କାହାକୁ କିଛି ଗପସପ ହୁଅନ୍ତିନି, ଟିକେ ହସି ଦେଇକି ଖାଲି ଚାଲିଯିବେ ଘରକୁ, ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଡାକି ଆଣିବେ। ଆଜି ମୋତେ ବହୁତ PV ରାମ ଦାସଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ, କାରଣ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କହିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଥି ହେବ, ଗୋଟେ ବହି ଲେଖିଲେ ବି ସରିବନି। ସାର୍ଙ୍କର ଏହି ପ୍ରକାର ଗୁଣ ଥିଲା। ସାର୍ ଅତି ଅମାୟିକ ଲୋକ ଥିଲେ। ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପରେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲି ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ବାପା ଥିଲେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟର ଜଜ୍। ସାର୍ ଏତେ ଲୋ ପ୍ରୋଫାଇଲ୍ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନଥିଲି ଗୋଟେ ଜଜ୍ର ପୁଅ ପୁଣି ଭଡ଼ା ଘରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି। ଏତେ ସାଧା ସିଧା, ଏତେ ଅମାୟିକ। ଖାଲି ମୁଁ ନୁହଁ, ଓଡ଼ିଶା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟର ସମସ୍ତେ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ପାଆନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ବିଚାରପତି ମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ସମ୍ମାନ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ମିଷ୍ଟର ରାମ ଦାସ ବୋଲି। ଆଉ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଦି ପଏଣ୍ଟ, ଯେତିକି ଅଫସର୍ଡ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ। ସାର୍ ବହୁତ ମାର୍ଜିତ ଭାଷାରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଲୋକଙ୍କ ସହିତ କରନ୍ତି। ଇଭିନ୍ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ମୁନ୍ସି କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟିନ୍ ସାର୍ଙ୍କର ଭାରି ପ୍ରିୟ ସ୍ଥାନ। ସାର୍ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଦିନ ସେଠି ଖାଆନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ବି ବସି ଗପସପ ହୁଏ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ସହିତ। PV ରାମ ଦାସଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିତ୍ୱ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ସୋସାଇଟି, ଜୁନିୟର ମାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ତାଙ୍କର ଯେତିକି ସହାନୁଭୂତି, ସ୍ନେହ, ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଚିରସ୍ମରଣୀୟ ହୋଇ ଆମ ପାଖେ ରହିବ। ମୋର ବି ଗୋଟେ ଦିନର କଥା ମନେ ପଡ଼େ, ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନରେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ବାର୍ ଆସୋସିଏସନ୍ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ୍ ଆସିଲେ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ନିଶା, ସଦାବେଳେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନରେ କଣ୍ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରିବି। ଆଉ ପ୍ରଥମ ମୁଁ ଯାଏ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖା କରିବାକୁ, କାରଣ ଜାଣେ ଏ ଭୋଟଟା ମୋର ସିଓର। ଆଉ ସାର୍ ଗଲା ମାତ୍ରେ ମୋତେ ଏତେ ଆଦରର ସହିତ ବୀରେନ ୟୁ ଗୋ, ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ୱରି, ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ୱିନ୍। ମୁଁ କହିଲି ସାର୍ କେମିତି, ଇଲେକ୍ସନ୍ ହେଇନି, ଟୁଡେ ଆଇ ଫାଇଲ୍ଡ ନୋମିନେସନ୍, ଆପଣ କିନ୍ତୁ ହାଉ କୁଡ୍ ୟୁ ଇମାଜିନ୍ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଜିତିବି? ନା ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ତୁମେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଜିତିବ, ବିକଜ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଏ ଗୁଡ୍ ବୟ। ସଦାବେଳେ ସ୍ମାଇଲିଂ ଫେସ୍, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହିତ ପବ୍ଲିକ୍ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ଭଲ, କମାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଭଏସ୍, ତୁମକୁ ଗଡ୍ ହାଜ୍ ଗିଭିନ୍ ୟୁ एवरीथिंग तेणुक तुम्हें निश्चय जित देख सत कथा मुझे जिते और प्रथम दिन जितले भी सार को जाकि गोड़ मुंडिया मारिकी आसे.
Since my childhood, my grandfather was very kind and loving person, and I used to enjoy and play with him very much. I miss him very much.